I'm going to talk about sociology as an emerging discipline. So, to understand sociology as an emerging discipline, first we have to know what is sociology or how the word or who gave the term sociology. First, we have to know about sociology. To know about sociology, we have to break sociology into two terms, that is socius and logos. So sociology came from two words, that is one is socius and another is logos. Socius come from or is a Latin word and logos is a Greek word. So socius means society or companion and logos means is to study. So by joining both socius and logos, we could say that sociology is a study of society. So we have come to know that sociology is a study of society. So we have first answered our what is sociology part. Then we come up to who coined the term. The term sociology was coined by a French philosopher named Auguste Comte. So he was not just the person who coined it, but also the founding father of this subject. He was the person who first emerged or under whom sociology emerged as a discipline. Then we come up to another pioneer whose name was Emil Durkheim. Both Auguste Comte and Emil Durkheim are very important people, or rather the important pioneers in sociology, without whom this subject would not have existed today. So Emil Durkheim was the person who made sociology a scientific study. So Emil Durkheim was another French philosopher who made sociology a scientific study or a scientific discipline. So Comte was a person who not only just coined the term, but he wanted sociology to be studied like any other natural sciences like physics, chemistry, biology. He wanted sociology to be studied like them. So like in physics, chemistry and biology, we use observation, experimentation. In sociology too, we use both this observation and experimentation. But in sociology, like in natural sciences, where the experimentation and observation are done under laboratory conditions, sociology doesn't do any laboratory condition study. In sociology, what we have to do is we have to go outside our own houses and study within the society. That is, we have to do field research or survey research. So Comte always wanted sociology to be a science to be studied through the scientific method of the society. Like the science, like any other science, he always wanted sociology to be studied in a scientific manner. So he said that although sociology is studied as a social science, but it is the scientific study of the society, or rather we could say that without the scientific observation or empirical data, nothing or no kind of research can be done in sociology. Like Koth and Durkheim, there are many other pioneers. Some of them are Max Weber, Karl Marx, Herbert Spencer, Ferdinand Tönnies, Wilfred Pareto, and many others whose contribution has done abundant in making the subject a very emerging, or not just an emerging, a discipline in many universities, colleges. Sociology may be a very young social science which is just 200 years old, but it is a very scientific social science. It is not any other any other natural sciences. It is not concrete, but it is very abstract social science. So we can say that just because sociology is an abstract social science, the study under it is very wide and very open. Now we come up to the Indian sociologists, the Indian pioneers who made sociology as a discipline in our country. So the Indian pioneers of sociology are G.S. Ghurye, who is also known as Govind Sadashiv Ghurye, M.N. Srinivas, whose full name is Mysore Narasimhacharya Srinivas, and D.P. Mukherjee, whose full name is Durjyoti Prasad Mukherjee, and last but not the least is Iravati Karve. So these four and many other pioneers are there, but these four people made sociology as a very emerging social science in our India. Although sociology was a very much wide social science, not a wide social science, but was emerging in the Western countries, but the basically Ghurye came up with sociology, or rather we could say Ghurye brought sociology from the west to the east, or rather in our country India. So the first university where sociology became as a discipline was the Bombay University, where sociology was first became a subject to of social science. In Mysore, sociology was emerged as Ghurye brought sociology to Bombay University, which is the first university to get sociology. M.N. Srinivas brought sociology to Mysore University. D.P. Mukherjee took sociology to Lucknow University, and Iravati Karve took sociology to Pune University. They all these people started, or rather we could say in this particular way, that in all this university, because of these people, sociology started as a discipline. So in my through my conclusion, I could say that although sociology may be a young social science which is just 200 years old, but it is a very emerging or is a wide social science which could be studied, or which through which we could understand well, or we can understand society in a better way. Thank you.